Ready to get your amazing content into your subscribers' inboxes with Beehiiv? Let's dive in. First things first, after logging into your Beehiiv account, navigate to your dashboard locate and click on the prominent New Post button. This is where your newsletter journey begins. You'll be presented with the post editor. Start by crafting a compelling title that will grab your reader's attention next. Add a concise subtitle that offers a little more context about what's inside then. It's time to fill the main body of your newsletter with your valuable content you can write directly here, or even paste content you've prepared elsewhere. Beehiiv's editor is packed with tools to make your newsletter shine. Use the toolbar to format your text, add links, and most importantly, insert engaging images. Click the image icon and follow the prompts to upload your visuals. Once your content is finalized, it's time to decide how to distribute it. Look for the Publish or Settings section. Usually on the left-hand sidebar here, you'll see two key options, Schedule and Send Now. If you want your newsletter to go out at a specific time, choose Schedule. A calendar and time picker will appear, allowing you to select your desired delivery date and time. This is perfect for planning your content ahead. Alternatively, if you're eager to get your content out immediately, simply click Send Now. Beehiiv will likely present a confirmation prompt to ensure you're ready. Click to confirm, and your newsletter will be on its way. And that's it. Your newsletter is now either scheduled for future delivery or is being sent out to your entire subscriber list. You can typically find confirmation messages within Beehiiv, and you can even check your own inbox to see how it looks to your subscribers. Sending newsletters with Beehiiv is incredibly straightforward. Now go forth and connect with your audience.